Heprit Shelevah and Jyrwa khatwaisnem karta na laimer apa Shillong kalara ya kanam ladu jong kesurkin ut season 4 kabala penha perdano aha kurukom kabashongkun bha kabala long ha kajanmit sngi thoding arpunyo terik kurempang ha donbosco youth center laimkra Shillong. Hakani ke lempung ya kop ruai lawan ban penpuk penping de kejingadon lang ke kong Dr. Amperin Lingdok MLA ke Shillong East General Councillor Reverend Padar Fidel Orientian na Rome, Provincial ke Shillong Province Reverend Padar John Zuziama, Bongut ki Padar na South Asia, na lor ki wei ki reuniam ki kimi ki pa bat ki bahayeng asem jong ki prangut ki nong yakun ha ki jingikop ruai final ha ka te ka janmit. Hakani ke grand finale kabala penbet penbiang da ka Don Bosco Media Network and Television hapok ka jingalam jong Reverend Father Michael Makri Director kiladon haduk prangut ki Samla ki balapoi syakakela bakaduk banyakani ia ka busket song Pisa ka bashilak Tyngka. Naduk basdang na kaliang ke dbmnTv lingba ki coach balabu kerpang ki bakentup ia ke Samla lapdiang bat ke Samla kenkor ki airu ke jinghikai ban penjana ia ke sap jung ki tegi Heprit bat ki Samla ki bawan banya aireng ha kate ke lumpung Yakob ruai. Shwaban sedang ke jing Yakob kakong Amperin MLA kala ai jingkren ha ke jingyalang ha ke ba kalayro ikinong penya jung ke surken ut da ke boong. Kinu ki kam baki reuniam ki le kadai ka bajanai kam tam lile habai day bat ki Samla. Ha ka juk Khubor kala airu ka jingero ya ka Don Bosco Youth Center kabala laban penlong ya ka te ka rinsan ya kop ruai kabalong ka rinsan ya ki Samla ban penjana ya ka sap bakerpang baki don. Dailing ba kum kini ki jingakop la kalong ha kinu ki lempung ki bapelong ki Samla ban treshitom bakin poi syakathong jingjob kalaong. U director ke DBYC Reverend Padar Michael Makri ha ke jingkren ulaong ke jing seso jong ni ke program na duk ke besdang kade ke jingkershan met bat mensim jong ki bor bahalor nang ta ki nongirap ki ba ai kelut mensim kentup na duk ke Khuborjylla bat kiwe. Ulapan pau ke jing sngongu iki kimi ki pa ki bala kershan iki kun nadu pesdang kamtam ban wan bo wan shaw bat tat hadu bandakut keni kelumpung Yakob ruai. Hakani kesngi la samru ya ke Cecilia Memorial Award shaw brother sniaw shngai papang bat kumjuru ya ke dbmnTV Youth Icon Award arhajar arpusan shaw ba Herbert Kharkongor Superintendent of Police West Khasi Hills bat kumju kajing ais ngobha shikinong bishar jong kene kajing Yakob surken ut season 4. Khuborjylla manlau snem kinong job ha kini kelumpung Yakob na lor bekiyo khori ka khusnam Pisa ka bakot haduk shilak Tyngka kin yo ru ka kabuksiar banet shimenta ha kilumpung ki bahe jong kari ba jong kaperthai ru kumjo.
My dear friends and talented people whose stage this actually belongs to. Yeah, if you asked me if I had a dream and if I was to be born again, what would that dream be? I probably say I wish I could sing like all of you. My singing skills are so pathetic that when I hear these beautiful voices, I am forced but to look up in awe of the kind of talent that each of you have. Dear Father Michael, I taught you in college, and I know your capacity. And I know that you are a person who the young people identify with. And government is going out of its way to provide similar platforms, opportunities for the young people of the state of Meghalaya. But the one unique thing that I observed on this platform is the fact that most of these young talented people are actually from away of town. I mean, Kinshi, Nongston, Lantmoreng, what amazing talent to think of the fact that music has captured every nook and corner of the globe. And I think Most of us forget that as we display our talents, we owe all of this to the Almighty God. And I think that is what most of the kids forget and get carried away with aping, you know, the social media and getting so, you know, influenced by it. Dear young people, God has given you a fantastic talent. And this voice that you've all demonstrated on this stage this evening should also have a multiple use and a multiple meaning. I just humbly request you to be the vocals of joy, the vocals of happiness, the vocals of comradeship, the vocals of the loneliness. Because in my tenure and the 5 elections that you, the people of Limekra, have deemed me fit to represent you to the Legislative Assembly, my table is often a table of so much pain. The numbers of people that I have had to go and bury, the number of families that I've had to reach out to when young people simply give up on life and get carried away by the pressures of modern everyday living. I therefore appeal in one voice that we must remember that whatever our predicaments are, we are fortunate that we are believers. And those of us who believe in whatever God, remember that you shall never feel forlorn and alone. We are here as a legislator of this constituency and a representative to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. It is my firmest endeavor to ensure that I am there for every young person that knocks my office door. Father Michael, thank you so much for calling me to this beautiful program. I was scheduled to be in another program by around 6:15. I also got carried away by the beautiful voices. And unfortunately, as much as I would love to see all of the competitors in this stage here this evening, my duty calls and I must leave, and I must also give my attention to other components of my life and my dedication. Thank you so much, Father Michael. God bless you. Seriously, a round of applause for this wonderful youth leader. I taught him, and believe me, Father Michael is a class of his own. Thank you so much, Father Michael. I want to thank your entire team, the entire media team. I can see that a lot of effort has been put in. God bless you and all of your efforts and your endeavors to bring back souls on track in the journey of life. Khubor, Mithila, Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Madam Ambreen, for that beautiful speech and especially for inspiring and encouraging our youth. I would like to request each one of you to kindly please rise up and give Madam a huge round of applause. This year, we have 23 nominees, and among them, Father Sngo Shngan Papang SDB from Donbosco Technical School community is selected by the jury. And now may I invite Father Ashley Miranda, Provincial in Charge, Boscom, South Asia, and Father Ernest Rosario, South Asia, Boscom Delegate, to kindly do the honor. The award consists of a memento, a citation, and a cash of rupees 10,000. I request Brother Sngoshgan to kindly please take the stage, and I would also like to request Father Ashley Miranda, Provincial in Charge, Boscom, South Asia, and Father Ernest Rosario, South Asia, Boscom Delegate, to kindly do the honor. This is the very important award that Don Bosco Media Network used to give. So can you please give a huge round of applause for Brother Sngoshngan. Thank you so much for the Ashley, for the Ernest, for the Michael. And yes, Don Bosco Media Network would like to congratulate Brother Sngoshngan once again. Congratulations. Kapaja to siya ngini ay kajing tap ti kabajam na kabenta isa hairbot. Thank you so much, everyone. And once again, the Don Bosco Media Network would like to congratulate Sir Herbert. So thank you so much.
So dear friends, as I have said, this is the only beginning. You will have many more opportunities coming in the future. Therefore, don't be discouraged even if you don't get the 1 lakh rupees. Because today, the 1 lakh rupees will go to... the 1 lakh rupees and will represent India in the international event that is going to happen in Vienna, Italy. And the winner is Shelly! Okay, Shelly, please come to the center. Shelly, please come to the center. Yes, congratulations, you have done very, very well. Now I invite Father, both the provincials to hand her the check of 1 lakh rupees. Both the provincials. And Father General Councilor will hand her the trophy of the champion trophy. Dito po.